Hey everyone, my name's Maston, and I'm here to tell you about the new EU giveaway. We will be giving away the VapeWild Top Seller Sample Pack to 5 lucky customers. If you want to check out more of our VapeWild flavors, just check this little link right in this area. Here. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, share it with all your friends, make sure to subscribe, and comment the name of your secret crush. Again, to be entered in the giveaway to win one of the VapeWild Top Seller Sample Packs, just like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and comment below the name of your secret crush. We won't tell them, or will we?
Do you have a secret crush?
I don't know, I don't have a secret crush. Am I your secret crush? Is it me? I doubt it, but comment below if it is. If I am your crush. Yeah.